Moses' dry feet. The Pharaoh's men were gaining ground. Their sleek chariots were rolling so fast behind the horses strong, eyes wild and nostrils foaming. God's people saw the chariots, the horsemen, and the army. The shields and the spears shone in the sun. It started such an outcry. "They're gaining on us!" was the shout. We stumbled as we hurried through sand that slowed our footsore steps. God's followers were worried. We moved so slow, uncounting throng, with sheep and goats and cattle, and now the Red Sea in our path may force us to do battle. God's people were so terrified, they wept and moaned and shouted. "We cannot stand against their might. On horses they are mounted. They'll capture us and drag us back. With whips and chains they'll beat us. We'll work from dawn past setting sun. Oh God, will they defeat us?" "Oh God," I prayed, "you brought us here, away from our oppression. You've been our strength. Our faith's in you. We claim your love's attention. You've led us with your cloud by day. Night's darkness you have broken, by fiery pillar guiding us. Your love for us you've spoken." The Lord then spoke to me and said that we should never worry. He would fight the fight for us, and in that way gain glory. The Lord said, "Stop your questions now and tell folks to quit moaning. So forward, march, pick up those feet and get the people going." God moved the cloud from front to back between our camp and Pharaoh's. The blackest night surrounded them, but on our side bright light glowed. I stretched my hand toward the sea. A miracle was coming. The sea was split by God's east wind. The path was dry by morning. Between the high and watery walls, we crossed the Red Sea bottom. When Pharaoh's army tried the same, the walls collapsed and drowned them. We stood astonished on the shore, then thrilled to God's great mercy. We shouted, prayed, and sang our songs of praise to God in glory. Then Miriam with timbrel bright led ladies in their dancing. They spun and twirled and leaped and whirled. The picture was entrancing. So pray to God. He'll hear your prayers and help you when you're in need. Remember what he did for us and follow where he leads.